Welcome to Business Research. My name is Salauddin. This module BMM 5582 is designed to equip you the essential skill to conduct the structured, credible research and critical ability to both academic success and your future business career. By the end of this module, you will be able to define the clear research aims, conduct a comprehensive literature review, critically appraise different research methods, and ultimately develop a full research proposal on your business-related topic. So, what is your understanding of your research? Think of your research as a systematic process. It is all about the asking questions, gathering and analyzing the evidence, and drawing the conclusion to deepen our understanding. In business, it replaces the guesswork, that is the informed decision making. So research is a systematic process, and research asks questions and try to understand the exploring and discovering and gathering what we found from the others, and we can learn and improve what is understanding in the real world. Research is a systematic investigation, and research is a fundamental because it provides the evidence for decision. Companies don't buy for the gut feeling, and the managers don't decide without data. This module gives you the tool to gather that data is a structured way, and the skill is vital for any workplace. So right now we are going to discuss about the type of the research. There are two main type of research. That is the primary research that involves the collecting the new data by yourself through survey and interview. And the secondary data is existing data collected by the others, like government statistics or the previous studies. So let's think about the simple research for the business. Like, it is important to distinguish between the research for business and applied studies to solve specific company problem, and research about business, more theoretical academic studies that contribute to broader knowledge in the field. Now, in the research for the business is more like a fabric developed by our research and develop visions and what else we can know. And we are also thinking that if you're working in a council, that you can see that how it can analyze the data and in an attractive way, and how do the research which could be attractive for the companies. So let's talk about the ontology and epistemology. That is, this is the complex terms that philosophical foundation of your research. Ontology means that is the view of your reality and what beliefs existed to be studied, and epistemology is about how you can gain the knowledge of that reality and how we can know what we know. And ontology asks that what is the reality. That means that the positive beliefs that in one objective truth can be discovered, like laws of physics, and relativists, like the beliefs that the subjective and constructed through multiple perspective and the context. Now the focus will be in this presentation is epistemology, that is what can be found. That is, epistemology asks that what we know the reality, and the method of the inquiry, like yes no survey versus deep interview, directly shapes your interview you got. The tool you are going to influence what you can see. Now let's talk about the positivism. That is the how you can the deductive test can be go through. That is, the deductive research is the existing theory, that means the positivism, and it starts with a hypothesis and collect the data to confirm or reject it. It aims for the objectivity and control, often using quantitative methods like experiment to establish cause and effects. And for the interpretism is the inductive research, that is builds the theory from grounded up. That means it starts from the observation and it looks for the pattern to develop new ideas and theories, and it is often exploratory, qualitative, and acknowledge their findings in are tentative and context dependent. The positivism is asserted that this is another factors in the research that asserts an objective and single reality exists, the researcher should be neutral, observe discovering the universal laws, and explain behavior, much like in neutral sciences. Like interpretism and phenomenology, that means that it argues that social reality is subjective and constructed by people, and the researcher cannot separate from the research. They must interact with the participant to understand their unique perspective and the meanings. So, which approach is right for you? That means your choices depend on your topic and resources. Then ask yourself, do I need the hard numbers, that is the quantitative, or the rich details like a qualitative? Am I testing the theory like deductive, or exploring a new idea like inductive? The right method is the one that is the best answer your research question. This is the end of my presentation. That if you have any question, you can ask me in the class, or you can send me email. We can also discuss in one-to-one basis for support. Thank you so much.